right, so we are at Sesame Street at SeaWorld, and one of the cool things, of course, you're going to get hungry when you're in Sesame Street, so they have the monster foodie foods, the foodie trucks. And let's see, the whole area is aimed towards kids, right down to the food. Right down to the food, and let's see what we got. So there are Yummy Nom Noms, which will have grilled cheese sandwiches, which, you know, all-time favorite, right? Sesame Sips, which has all kinds of different signature drinks, like Big Bird's Pineapple Delight and Cookies Blueberry Bliss. And, ooh, icy with soft serve. That sounds good. With cream drinks. And chicken tenders, ABC Eats, which has a variety of different stuff. So they have your regular homemade crispy, Hawaiian grilled, and Asian tempura. So, of course, being the big guy that I am, I have to try something. What do you recommend?
I like the fried chicken, but that's just me.
Can't go wrong with fried chicken.
You can't.
But we have to be out of the box. So let's try the Asian tempura. Could we please?
We don't have
We don't have
just doing the chicken.
Okay.
We only have the grilled one, right? Crispy and grilled right now.
Okay, so we'll try the grilled.
Grilled?
Please.
Got it for you.
And there's tons and tons to do in here, which is like really cool. If you remember, it was the Shamu Happy Harbor. And basically where we're standing now is where the nets were. So, food much better than nets.
You get free samples on them today, so I'm pretty sure
Yeah.
you can come back for the fried if you want.
Yeah, definitely.
Circle back around. There you go. There you go.
Ooh, those look so good. All right.
Have a great day.
Thank you. And we're going to try to get something, and we'll check back in once we get a drink. Today we're going to try the Abby Strawberry Sparkle, which is one of the signature drinks at Sesame Street, which, you know, if you're going to have a cool land like Sesame Street, you're going to have a very cool drink. Awesome. Let's see if it is as good as it looks.